Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Health Elegance. Today I'm going to share with you a tried and tested home remedy to cure shrinkage of kidney. In this video I included symptoms and causes of kidney shrinkage, but keep in mind these symptoms and causes do not relate to kidney shrinkage by birth. You should not waste your time on self-treatment if your symptoms are severe. Immediately consult your doctor. Now come to the remedy. You will need just one ingredient for this treatment. The ingredient is pistachio. Method: use 7 nuts of pistachio 3 times a day for 1 month. Do not use roasted or salted pistachio and chew it as long as you can. If symptoms persist, you can use it for more than 1 month. Remember, you have to use 21 nuts per day. Friends, if you like this video, please share it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.